Elbit Systems, a leading defense technology company, made a public debut of its innovative concept called the FAST Find and Strike Capsule at the prestigious Paris Air Show in 2023. The FAST Capsule serves as a central control hub for Elbit Systems' Skylark unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV, family, and Skystriker loitering munition. It simplifies operations by enabling a single operator to perform multiple tasks seamlessly. With the FAST Capsule, a single operator can launch a Skylark UAV using a catapult and control its movements from a ground control station, GCS. Once the operator identifies a target, they can deploy a Skystriker munition from the same launcher and control it using the same GCS. Amir Bedish, Elbit Systems Vice President of Marketing and Business Development for Unmanned Aerial Systems, UAS, shared that the FAST Capsule is primarily designed for existing Skylark and Skystriker customers. Interestingly, they have received interest from potential customers who are not currently using both types of systems. While Skystriker is compatible with Skylark 1, ILEX, and 3 in terms of communication and GCS integration, only Skylark 3 shares a common launcher with Skystriker. This combination is preferred due to their ability to operate within a range of 100 kilometers, 62 miles. Elbit Systems' FAST Capsule represents a significant advancement in unmanned aerial systems technology. By streamlining operations and providing a single control point, it offers enhanced efficiency and coordination for missions involving Skylark UAVs and Skystriker munitions. The introduction of the FAST Capsule at the Paris Air Show demonstrates Elbit Systems' commitment to innovation and meeting the evolving needs of defense customers. The concept holds promise for improving operational effectiveness and expanding the capabilities of Skylark and Skystriker users. As development progresses, Elbit Systems will continue engaging with customers and refining the FAST Capsule concept. This latest offering reinforces their position as a leader in the unmanned aerial systems market, and it has the potential to revolutionize the way unmanned missions are conducted in the future.